Do you know how people navigate and plan their journeys? They use maps and compasses to determine their location and where they want to go. Direction is the path you take to go from point 1 to point 2, and a compass helps determine that direction. A compass has a floating magnetic needle that aligns with Earth's magnetic field, pointing to magnetic north. The compass dial is a circle with a scale, starting from 0 degrees at the north and going clockwise to 360 degrees, showing directions like north, east, south, and west. Imagine you are traveling north 20 degrees east. You start in a northward direction and adjust your path 20 degrees toward the east. In orienteering, participants rely on maps and compasses to navigate using polar coordinates, identifying angles and distances to reach checkpoints efficiently. This outdoor activity combines navigation skills with physical endurance, challenging participants to strategize their routes while racing to the finish. Would you give it a try?